Hey, I just thought I'd make a quick video about how to add a featured item such as your skill certificate or a letter of recommendation if your internship mentor does not have LinkedIn. The first thing you want to do is LinkedIn has kind of changed it a little bit, so you kind of have to scroll in your profile. So to get to your profile, just remember up here at the top of the screen, click on yourself, view profile, and it'll pull up your profile. So here's my profile real quick, and if you kind of just scroll down and then scroll back up a little bit, this bar comes right up here where it says more, add profile section, or open to. What you want to do is you want to click on add profile section, and it'll pull up this right here. And what you want to do is you want to just come down here to recommend, click on recommend, and then both for your skills certification and your recommendations, you are going to click on add featured. Okay, so click on add featured and it'll bring this up for you. Now, before you do this, you want to make sure that you have a copy, a digital copy of your skill certificate. So if you printed it out and had your mentor sign it and date it, you want to upload it back in as a file document. Now remember, I showed you on your cell phones that you could easily do that, or I could copy it and email it to you as a digital document. So you want to go up here to add featured, click on the plus sign, and you're going to come down here to add media. And you're going to go to add media, and you're going to click on and find your document. And I am just going to pick a document since I don't have one quite here ready. So here we are. We're just going to choose L. Budge's cover letter. So you'd click on the document. It should be a PDF, hopefully, of your skills demonstration and also your letter of recommendation. And you want to do each of them separately. So you'd click on your document, you'd click open, and it's going to upload that document to LinkedIn. So here is that recommendation, okay? You want to title it, and so you might want to delete the title, and you could type in skills certificate for CTE internship. Okay. You can write a description if you'd like, such as, hey, these are the skills that I developed during my internship, and I'm really grateful for so-and-so for endorsing me on these skills. So you can type that in there if you'd like, and then you want to just click save. And it is right there in your featured section. So now if you go back to your profile, clicking here and view profile. Remember, this is my profile, so it'll be on mine. I'm going to scroll down in my profile. Here's my about section, and right underneath my about section is my featured items. Okay. Now that you have one featured item, you can always add another featured item just by clicking right here instead of going up to this section. And so when the state looks at it and when I look at it to grade it, I can just click right here. Oh, skill certificate for CTE internship. I can click on it and I can see the entire document. If it's one page, if it's 2 page, and I can kind of scroll through it and see your notes right here for it. And that is just an easy way to make sure that we meet that requirement on our rubric, that we have a skill certificate and that we have recommendations from our CTE mentor. If you made a mistake or it doesn't look good, you can always delete it. And so you can go to edit right here and it'll have each of those. I'm going to delete this since it's really not mine. And I'm going to click delete, and it's gone. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, email me, and we'll help you with it.